Okay, hi guys, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you for checking out this video today. And I was just thinking that marketing online can be very frustrating at times. Okay, and I think that's why a lot of people do quit, because it does get a little frustrating when you don't see things happening. But here's the thing. You've got to be, really dedicated and committed. And I like to share this with people, be committed to your own success. Nobody's going to be committed to your success the way that you should be. Okay. And the way that if you get it, the way that you will be. And, once you get really committed and really dedicated to what you're doing, then you will eventually find the results that you're looking for. What happens to a lot of people is they quit before they see anything happen because they think, well, oh gosh, nothing's going to happen. But that's not true at all. You've got to stay focused, and you've got to do something, a little something every single day. Now, I'm introducing P2P Profits, plus we're coupling the P2P Profit program with the Change Your Life Club, okay? And so it's probably P2P Profit might be. I added the S. Maybe it's not that. I don't know. I forgot to check before I did this video. But nonetheless, okay, I'm coupling P2P Profit with the Change Your Life Club. And we're in the beginning stages with the club, but we've got some exciting things, to share with you. And hopefully you're going to, want to take a look, at least see what we have to offer. So let me show you this real quick, and then I'm going to close this video out today. Oh, okay. Let me move myself out the way here. Okay, I meant to do that, but I didn't. But we'll do it here. Here's the thing. Sometimes even when you do a video, you want everything to be kind of perfect, but I realize that everything doesn't get perfect. Everything is not perfect, okay? And so I've learned to put even my mistakes on the videos. I've learned to laugh at my mistakes. You have to do that sometimes. But, this is an invitation, as you can see, an invitation from the Change Your Life Club, okay? But here's a question I want to ask you. It says, have you ever given any thought to an online business? Perhaps you have. Perhaps you have a real desire in your heart to really create something amazing online, okay? Then this is a program that you should take a look at. The P2P Profit program, coupling that with the Change Your Life Club. We've got some exciting things already in place, and even some more exciting things down the road, okay? But we've got an easy, simple, low-cost system that you can get involved in, and hopefully you have an interest in that, okay? With our program, you can potentially earn some big profits online, okay? And you get payments paid direct to you, instant, daily, direct payments. If you had 15 to 20 minutes a day, you can do this program. If you had an hour to 2 hours per day, gosh, you could even do the program greater. But no matter where you are, no matter what you can do, if you can do a little bit every day, you can do this business, and you'll get some exciting training, and you'll learn how to market online, and you'll learn how to make some money. So I've got a brief message in the description area, okay? Just another little short video that you can take a look at. All right, and you'll see that in the description area. So plug in and get started with us today. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm going to wish you a wonderful, amazing, blessed day today. All right, if you hear something, that's my grandkids, man. All right, you be blessed. Bye-bye now.